Hello, everybody. Today we are at Montigo Bay, and we're just going to kind of check out the airport today. We'll fly around kind of locally, but here's the identifier for it: Mike Kilo Juliet Sierra, and there's your runways, 725 asphalt. And let's see, the weather today is beautiful, so we're not gonna have to worry about that. About 7:30 in the morning. So we'll go ahead and fire this puppy up. Not sure why we're getting a hydraulic line late. The hydraulic is supposed to be on, and for some reason she keeps turning off. It's the third time I've started that thing. Alright, I think we got her this time. Jeez. Alright, RPMs. We should be good. Thank you. My goodness gracious. That's horrible. Alright. Sipping on a cup of coffee right now myself while all this chaos is going on. Alright, let's pick her up to Albert. Back her out of here. There we go. So let's take a real slow kind of tour around the airport here. Look at the detail here. And this is not a paid mod. This came with the update, the Caribbean update. This really is nice. This is the front entrance to the airport right here. Yeah. Recognize that brick. And there's the front entrance. They've got all the air conditioning units detailed out. Vents, ducts, you name it. This is insane. Very nice, very nice. Let's go down here and look at the control tower. They did a good job on that. And that looks like the real deal. Good job, good job. Pretty detailed. Let's see if we can see down inside there. Get a little closer, not much more close. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Good grief. So the terminal itself is all you can enter it. You can get inside, walk around. There's no animation of people in there. I don't even think there's any people depicted in there, let alone moving. But you can see through the windows here. And yeah, look at all the ground equipment and stuff. That is so good. I gotta watch out for this light pole here. Yeah, you can see inside there. So yeah, you can go inside, walk around. Pretty cool. And as you can see, they have another control tower down here. Same deal. You can see inside of it. If you want to have some fun, you know, just take your drone camera and go inside some of these buildings and check them out. It's pretty cool just to walk around and look at all the cool stuff. Vending machines, and vendors. They've got a nice presentation of aircraft here. I like it. Alright, let's go down here and look at the end of the runway. Wow, look at this. There's your approach lighting. That's good. Sitting in the water. That's good. Got a cruise liner over there. Some boats. Some yachts. Let's go down this side here. A commercial fishing boat there, the red one. Yeah, the rendering, you know, as I'm moving across here, you can see it, bringing it in, but it's not bad. I mean, it could be a lot worse. Nice workboat there. The trees really look cool. I like the trees. They've done a good job on these. And you know how like sometimes you get real close to a tree and it just kind of, even though you don't hit it, it just, you see it kind of flash before your eyes. Watch this. They just stay right there. They don't blow apart. It doesn't get all up in your windscreen. That's pretty cool. I don't know how they do that. That's beyond, way beyond my knowledge of how this stuff works. But all I know is it's much better. Just beautiful. This whole Caribbean thing was done pretty well, I gotta say. Some resort areas down there, some hotels. So that's a pretty good look at Montigo Bay. Was there many, many, many years ago. We flew into Montigo Bay and then we took a bus ride up over the mountains to, I think it's called White House Beach, which was run by Sandals. And that was nice. That was a nice place. And we got to stop at Bob Marley's mom's house, where he grew up, which I thought was pretty cool. Well, boys and girls, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. I'm gonna have to put the helicopter down. She's running out of power. Wow, wonder what happened. All right, let's see if we can get her down. Good grief. Come on, baby. Oh, jeez. My blades are about ready to stop. Hold on, people. Auto rotation. Wow. 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 I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened. And she's wanting to creep backwards on me. Wow. I've never had that happen to me before. My gauges just bottomed out. So, good thing we were close to the airport, huh? Well, I guess I'll close it off here. At least we got to see a little bit of it. And I'll figure out what's going on because, yeah, every one of my gauges have bottomed out. There's nothing. I lost everything. So, valve is on. Is my battery still on? Yeah, battery's on. Oh, shit. Generator was off. Still though, I don't know. Alright, I have to research that. I have to bring out my books and look, but that was crazy. So, my first official auto rotation, not done by me, that's for sure. But she did well getting down. Okay. Talk to y'all later.